In a time when unspeakable cruelty and hatred ruled the world, one devout Christian woman stood strong in quiet resistance. Corrie ten Boom chose to become part of the underground network that protected Jews from Nazi persecution in German-occupied Holland. Ultimately betrayed and sent to Ravensbrück concentration camp, Corrie ten Boom and her family never lost their faith nor resolve to stand with the Jewish people. After a year of unimaginable horror, Corrie was released on a clerical error, though her father, sister, brother, and nephew all died. Once free, this stooped, silver-haired old woman traveled the world, spreading her message of healing, compassion, and forgiveness. Corrie Remembers is a powerful introduction to the bridge building between Christians and Jews. The message of love and faith demonstrated through the life of one simple woman committed to God and the Jewish people is timeless and compelling.